Yes, it is that time again to replace the batteries on your CNC machine tools, lathes, and in-house machining centers. Looking for a source for OEM equivalent, high-quality battery replacements for your Okuma CNCs? Search no more. BBM Battery offers the highest quality battery replacements in the industry for all your PLC, robotic, and CNC battery needs. We use only name brand batteries, replicating OEM batteries, connectors, and where necessary, internal components. Don't pay exorbitant original equipment manufacturer's prices. For quick in-stock delivery, high quality, and the most competitive pricing, buy BBM Batteries. BBM Batteries stocks a large selection of batteries for all your Okuma lathes, grinders, and CNC machines. This replacement Okuma battery is rated at 9.6 volts, 1500 mAh. It is designed specifically for your device. Known as the 8N1200SCK, it is manufactured with Sanyo cells to a very high standard to enhance the performance of your device. The batteries are designed with high quality components. Models that this battery are known to support are the Okuma E5503-377-001, the OSP-P100, 8N1200SCK-00. All are for industrial CNC machining centers or lathe batteries. Manufacturer again is Okuma, and the battery is priced at $59.95 on our website. To find more out about this battery, visit us at www.bbmbattery.com. Go to Industrial Robots section Okuma. Thank you.